Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home, isn't it? Okay, welcome to your computer class. Dear children, do you remember what we have learned in the previous class? Which chapter we have learned? Yes, we have learned about paint chapter, isn't it? What all topics we have discussed there? Do you remember? Yes, we have discussed about how to use a pencil paint, also how to use a brush tool in paint, and also how to erase your drawing, isn't it? Now let us see what are the topics we are going to discuss today. Dear children, the topics that we are going to discuss today is using the brushes tool to draw, filling color using brush tool, and also filling color using fill tool. Now let us see each topic in detail. Okay, now we are going to draw a flower. Okay, so before drawing a flower, do you know what are the parts of a flower? Yes, what are they? Yes, it is having petals. Yes, it is having stem, and also it is having leaves, isn't it? Yes, now we are going to draw this in our paint. Let's see how to draw. Dear children, now we are going to draw a flower using brush tool. Okay, so first of all we have to take the brush, isn't it? So here you can see different types of brushes available. Whichever type of brush you want, you can take. Okay, now I have selected the first brush. Okay, so after that we have to select which color you want. Okay, now I am going to select yellow color. Okay, so after selecting yellow color, you can see that color on the screen, isn't it? So now I am going to draw a 5-petal flower. To draw your flower, what you have to do? Yes, you have to press and hold the left mouse button. Okay, and then you have to draw. Okay, so now I have drawn 1 petal. Similarly, we have to draw 4 more petals. Okay, second petal is also drawn by pressing the left mouse button. Okay, similarly you have to draw the other petals also. Okay children, so now I have drawn 5 petals using brush tool. So dear children, this is the way we draw a picture by using brush tool. Got it? Let us move on to next topic, that is filling color using brushes tool. Okay, we are going to look how to color this flower by using brush tool. Okay children, so dear children, so first of all we have to select the brush. Okay, whichever type of brush you want, you can select. Okay, now I have selected the brush and I am going to color this flower. Okay, so 1 petal I am going to color it now with the help of left mouse button. Okay, pressing and holding the left mouse button, I am coloring this petal. Okay, so 1 petal I have colored now. Similarly you have to color the 4 more petals also. Okay dear children, so while coloring your picture, you have to move the brush slowly. Okay, otherwise there is a chance of spreading your color outside the petal also. Okay, that's why I am telling you to move your brush slowly. Okay children, if you are not satisfied with the brush you have taken, you can take another brush also from the brush tool. Okay, now I am going to take another brush. Okay, that is air brush. Now I have taken. Now I am going to fill it inside the petal. Okay, and if you are not satisfied with this brush also, you can change this brush. Okay, you can take another brush from brush tool. Okay children, now let's take another brush tool. Okay, now I am taking another brush from brush tool, and then I am going to fill inside this petal. Okay, similarly you have to color all the 5 petals. Okay dear children, if you are not satisfied with the color you have taken, you can take eraser tool from the toolbox and you can erase your drawing, and then you can redraw by using different brush. Okay,